Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case and close the case. Now these earbuds are disconnected from your phone, and after that just open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the charging case. It will reconnect to your phone, and now check maybe it fixes your problem. If it doesn't, we should perform a hard reset. To perform a hard reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that press and hold on this button at the charging case for at least 10 seconds until this LED light starts flash rapidly 3 times. Here we go, now we can release our finger, and firstly we should remove it, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device, and after hard reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so we can see it at the device list. Just tap on it, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!